Hey guys, it's me, Tina. I work at the Outdoor Resource Center at Wright State, and I thought I would share how I cooked while living in a van as well as some backcountry cooking. So here's the van setup. As you can see, the bedroom is conveniently located right above the kitchen where I cook. So here's this handy dandy little pull-out table my Uncle Dale built, and this is what I do when I set up to cook. I decided not to bring a fridge, and I eat primarily plant-based, so my meals are pretty simple. It's always like a veggie stir-fry type thing with rice and couscous or pasta. So there was my little setup. Got the stove, got the fuel. The way I planned food for this trip, I tried to pack all my pantry staples ahead of time so I'd only need to buy fresh produce every few days. I usually cook something like this for lunch or dinner most days, but it does take up a good portion of my time, so there are days I was too busy or didn't have a place to set up and cook, and I'm gonna be honest, I definitely ate soup out of the can. It's all about balance. Oh yeah, we got a yummy veggie stir fry. We got some rice, got some lentils in there for protein. Got a little avocado to top it off. And I'm gonna be honest, I usually just eat out of the pan because it's less dishes to do, less work, less cleanup. Chef's kiss. Now on to backcountry cooking. If you're ever planning on joining us for a backpacking trip in the future, which you should, here's a nice little sneak peek of what's to come. One of my favorite parts of our backpacking trips at the ORC are planning the meals and then having the meals on the trails, because there's just something so special about working as a unit with your little backpacking crew, preparing and eating dinner after a long day of hiking. So today I'm going to make some mac and cheese with dehydrated veggies and beans I dehydrated myself, and I'm going to make a little mini serving because I only have this one little pot, but on trips at the ORC we'll split up into cooking groups and you'll cook one big meal for 3 to 4 people. Everything's boiling, looking good. We're going to add in some homemade cheese powder I made. I swear it's really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your favorite camping meals or if there are any food travel hacks that I need to try out, and sign up to join us on some backpacking trips coming up at the Outdoor Resource Center at Wright State.